Hi lovely viewers, this is Sweet Ohima. Today we are going to make one of our delicious tomato sauce that we mostly serve with waakye or plain rice in Ghana. Yes, starting no medican for manwa, and any me spices, bay leaf, rosemary, any cloves, a gum, mosadia, and one bay ram, I made the minam guma, and nam no so bet chiamana pa. Made in entrinam, any yama dear, and a year's afro away. Now let's add our chopped onion, pepper and garlic mixture. Here we also add our 10 tomatoes or tomato paste. A betcha 10 tomatoes no, Emma nachia could say 10 tomatoes no, any ebeye dark kakra, nasa ebeye brown, answer na ya twas. Any aye brown kakrama, yamfa yentosa ye chucha, and our chopped tomatoes no so enku. We also add in our seasonings. Here you can add any seasoning of your choice. I added a bit of powder pepper, garlic seasoning, meat seasoning, and then seasoning cube. I am for moko be brown kahu. If you said ye di kachucha gumuno, na moko kakran so ya yam ekahu. Mistock na ye di gumuno. Kai hu say froye we, manfa nchene bebre antum. Enchene na me di season meat ne hunu. Enwa na me de. So what are ye ntosi froye na fa nchene gumwa. One shot dear chin won't minty, and chinny bit to me a tray. Maybe mamma just cra. So what are ye and tosia? I am not a monkeka, good one I and toast for ya. What is shower from name waka? I have a baking soda kakre begum sadia me dear gumuya. And no, it neutralizes the acid in tomatoes. I am an kawa from said the Emma would drink no crying akono. Name kai who say, a ye baking soda empty, fakit way be, and I say come kit way be too. Let's add our natural spices. This is basil leaf. Basil leaf is akoko mesa. And know what the two for Emma for any to the next level. Let you try Jane kakra. Who differ so will be Jane woman. I am the pa now so a optional. If it's a new beer and a person or Jane Emra or Didi. Ye fro ye na bianesa ye de enkosu abegum wota akohwe wacha obi hu se kosu eguani eno nko appetite enya asem ketoa ai ene ye de ye fro ye de bedi wache. Please check out my previous video on how to make waakye. So what person will answer the enua wacha. Share me video me post ya answer me ye we no. Obi hu said ye waakye nso. Please don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment if today is your first time of being here. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.